Okay.
No?
Yeah. So talk to us about what you're doing.
I'm fishing and I just got one right away. Not right now. Last time, but that fish just scratched me. The first one, the last one, I got the third. Well, now it's funny. And it hurt. But now I'm trying to catch another fish. I think I blew something. Oh, just a second. Can you get that stick off there?
If you want, you could reel it in and cast it again.
Yeah.
Kind of got on a snag there, huh?
My hook is gone.
Here, let me fix it.
Where's my hook? Where's my hook? It's gone.
It's there.
I'm gonna try this one more time. I'm gonna reel this baby in a little bit and watch it until it goes down. And move myself. Okay. Well, I got one right now.
That was fast.
I lost it though. It got off the hook.
You felt it on there?
Yeah.
Is your worm still there?
Yeah. And pull it back in. Bring this way. Okay, let's see if it's gonna reach. Huh. Sinking. Let's feel that baby just bite on. Let's get this baby going.
You see your bobber?
No.
I see it.
Where is it?
It's out there.
I'm gonna shoot it out again. That was got it.
Mm-hmm. I see it moving. Something's got it. Something's got it. Set it. Set it. Oh.
What was it?
I think something had it. It was moving sideways. Cast it out and watch the bobber, because check your worm. Look at your worm. Did you see your worm?
No.
You got to check it.
Reel.
No, leave it right there. Leave it right there.
I see something.
You have to check your bait, babe.
I see something.
All right. Snap it. Snap it. Snap it. You know what it means when I say snap it? Oh, is she drinking that water? Like this.